Hey there, it's Brendan, aka Cliff Jumper. Welcome to the channel. We're going to try to answer the question today: can we repair carbon fiber finish that has gotten nasty in the sun using a headlight restoration kit? Let's find out. Yes, indeed. So I've got some 30-year-old carbon fiber on my car. This is the wing that has seen many miles and many hours of sun, and the carbon fiber clear coat is nasty. So we're going to use the 3M Headlight Restoration Kit to see if we can bring back the shine on this. And we're going to do a little bit more than that. Not just this, we are actually also going to use a 2K clear coat to finish it off, which should give it proper UV protection once it's all done, and seal it up so it'll be all shiny the way it used to be. And we're also going to do that on a few other areas of my car where the carbon fiber clear coat is coming up. That mirror is pretty bad. This mirror is even worse. So we're gonna take care of both of those, and we'll see how it comes out. How bad could it be, right? The worst comes to worst, I have to pay somebody to fix it anyway. So let's see if we can do it yourself at home. Let's do it. So here on this, just like with doing headlight restoration, we are gonna start with the 500 grit. We're gonna add some lubricant, and we're gonna work our way across. The goal is to get rid of the imperfections on the top layer of the clear coat here. This is a kind of a gel coat that they use on this, and it has definitely failed on this carbon fiber with exposure to the sun, as you see as we go across it. So we're going to keep working our way through. This is all scratchy. This is now smooth, so making good progress with even just a couple of seconds worth of a pass there. I don't want to go down too deeply because I don't want to get into the carbon fiber. We're just gonna do a light brush across this, and then we'll do another pass with 800 grit, a pass with 3000 grit. We'll do some polish, and then we will hit it with clear coat, and we'll do more polish. So it'll be a lot. Already greatly improved, although I'll probably use another pass or two with a 500 before we move to the 800. Now we're going to move on to the 800 grit. And by the way, I misspoke. This is not a 30-year-old wing. It's actually a 10-year-old wing. The car is 30 years old. I gotta say, it's feeling a lot better. There are some imperfections we could probably get out if we spent a lot of time sanding it carefully, but this is a daily driver car. I'm not too worried about it. We're gonna just see what we can do with a little bit of effort here. So it's already looking way, way better. We just hit it with the 3000 grit. We're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of polish, and then we will hit it with clear coat, and then after the clear coat dries tomorrow, we'll polish the clear coat again, and yeah. Just try to get as much of the rough down as possible to a smooth surface before we do clear coat on here, but I think we are ready.
20 minutes later.
Okay, obviously this is just a fresh coat, but this is about 2,000 times better than it looked before with all the peeling clear coat. So after this cures for 24 hours, we will come back and we'll do some wet sanding with it gently and polish it to a perfect shine. So that should be good. That looks pretty good to me. I think we've answered the question, and it's yes, you can use a headlight restoration kit to clean up your old faded looking carbon fiber parts and make it look a lot better, with the caveat that after you do polish out the carbon fiber with your headlight restoration kit, you're gonna need to follow it up with 2K clear coat. I priced it out. That was gonna cost me about $500 to have somebody do what I just did at a paint shop. And while it might not be 100% the level of quality of a paint shop, I'm still gonna go back and do some wet sanding on the clear coat and smooth it all out and polish it and wax it. So it'll be even better than it is now. Right now it's just the clear coat, which isn't fully hardened yet, but I'm happy with it. I'm stoked. So I'll be doing that to my other carbon fiber things that need reconditioning, like this. This is super bad. I'm gonna have to do a lot of work there, but it's doable at home. So yeah, the headlight restoration kit, who knew? So grab yourself one of those, grab yourself some 2K clear coat, and go at it. You can, there's absolutely no reason you can't recondition your carbon fiber pieces when the clear coat is starting to come off. And you know what? I'm gonna experiment on some of my other cars that have clear coat just coming off of the car, and we'll see how that goes. Tune in another time for that. If you wouldn't mind, hit like, subscribe, and maybe even share this. I'm just a one-man show here. We're a little channel with only a few thousand subscribers. It really helps us out with the algorithm if you do that. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know you can watch any channel you want on YouTube and watch all sorts of automotive shenanigans. Thank you for watching us. God bless. See you next time. Bye-bye.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.